Welcome guys, so this video I'm going to take you through my anabolic CJ pancakes. So this is going to be a higher carbohydrate version than one of the ones you've seen before. So I'm going to run you through the ingredients. So firstly we have got Muscle Nation whey isolates. This is cocoa caramel. Next up, Quaker rolled oats. I don't know why, but I just like the Quaker branding, they're pretty dope. Next up, egg whites, sorry, not eggs. 2 chicks. And then got frozen fruit to add some goodness. And then lastly, a little secret, Manuka honey. So we can add this on for a little bit extra carbs and add some sweetening. And then you can also add an extra addition, some more sweetener if you don't want the honey. So stage 1 is going to be to mix all these lovely ingredients into the NutriBullet and blend them. So we shall crack on with that.
I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not. I better let myself give in to love, believe in us no matter what it does to my heart. Not used to this, no I'm not. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me.
We're making pancakes with 2 strategies here. You can either go small emulsifiable pancakes or you can go one monster pancake. Normally I go for the monster pancake, but for video purposes we're trying to go for more aesthetics, so we're trying to do more smaller pancakes. So if this is a complete mess, then that would be why. Because the pan I'm using is probably a little bit too big to be using for smaller pancakes. So I'd normally suggest using a smaller pan. However, this pan is banging and is brand new. If you're looking for a pan recommendation, I'd highly recommend Le Crusoe, French brand. Very, very good. We still have another little bit more on this pancake before she's ready for flipping though. She's not. She's in the forming stage of pancake creation, and we need her to be solid. But I might turn it down because I think I'm burning.
You're new to me. I don't know who you are, but like a piece of art, I want more, but better slow it down.
Recording. Alright, we're going to go for a pancake flip, no spatula. This is dangerous. So 3, 2. He's got it! There you go! Boom! Skills. So after that quite incredible pancaking flip, we are now done. So protein pancakes here, this is the carbohydrate version, not the low carb version. So this here we have got 110 grams of oats, we've got 25 grams of whey protein from Muscle Nation, thank you very much. And we've got 25 grams of protein from 250 grams of egg whites via 2 chicks. And then we added 100 grams of frozen berries, which we blended, a dash of almond milk, and voila, blended the NutriBullet, pan fried, and some extra fruit on top. So very, very tasty, super healthy, and makes it more fun for your food. So this is definitely something I'd highly suggest giving it a go. Put the full recipe below the video so you guys can give it a try. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and subscribe to the channel, because not enough of you guys are subscribing. So hope this is enjoyable, and let us know what you think.